Everyone thinks a USB drive is harmless, but there is one hack that still works in 2025, and it is so simple that most people never see it coming. Everyone thinks a USB drive is harmless. You see one on the table or lying outside, and you assume it is just a storage device. But there is one USB hack that still works in 2025. And the scary part is that nothing about the USB looks suspicious. It does not need malware, it does not need internet, it does not even need you to open a file. This technique is called BadUSB, and it is one of the most reliable attacks hackers still use because it abuses trust, not software. To understand BadUSB, you first need to understand something surprising. A USB is not just storage. Inside every USB flash drive, there is a tiny chip that controls how the device communicates with your computer. That chip has firmware. Firmware is low-level code that tells the device how to act. A hacker can reprogram that firmware so the USB pretends to be something completely different. Instead of acting like a storage device, it can pretend to be a keyboard. And your computer will trust it instantly because computers always trust keyboards. The moment the infected USB is plugged in, it launches commands faster than any human can type. It can open the terminal, download malicious scripts, create hidden accounts, change passwords, disable security tools, or upload stolen data. Everything happens in seconds. You think you just plugged in a USB, but in reality, you just connected an automated attacker directly into your system. Let me give you a simple example. A worker finds a USB in the office parking lot. Curiosity wins. He plugs it in to see what is inside. The moment he does, the USB acts like a keyboard and types a command that silently downloads a payload from a remote server. The attacker now has access to the company network. No antivirus warning, no suspicious file, no pop-up. Just a few milliseconds of invisible activity. Another example is baiting in public places. Hackers drop several USB drives in locations where people are likely to pick them up. Human curiosity does the rest. In some countries, criminals leave USBs that automatically open banking phishing pages. In others, the USB types code that installs ransomware. People never suspect it because the attack does not rely on a file. It relies on the firmware pretending to be a trusted device. One of the most dangerous parts of BadUSB is supply chain attacks. A company orders branded USB drives or promotional flash drives. During manufacturing or distribution, someone modifies the firmware. The customer receives a box of brand new, sealed USB drives that already contain a hidden attack mechanism. Even the most careful user cannot detect this by looking at the device. You might wonder why antivirus or Windows Defender cannot stop this. The reason is simple. Antivirus scans files. BadUSB does not rely on files. It changes how the USB identifies itself. As far as the computer is concerned, it is just a keyboard sending commands, and computers are built to trust keyboards. That makes this attack extremely difficult to detect. So how do you protect yourself? Never plug in random USB drives you find. Use USB data blockers when charging in public. If you must use USB for file transfer, use devices from trusted vendors and avoid giveaways from unknown sources. For companies, disable USB ports where possible or limit them to approved devices only. Treat every unknown USB like a loaded weapon. In cybersecurity, physical access is often the quickest way to bypass digital defenses. If this opened your eyes, make sure you like the video, share it with someone who needs to know this, and subscribe to Hack Only Evil for more real cyber stories and lessons every week.